What's going on?
Lane. You gotta go, bro.
Chris, are you okay?
I'm great.
You're talking to a weed. That's the problem.
No. I'm not talking to a weed. I'm talking to a hater. This is a lawn hater.
Gosh, we have to go. We've got work to do.
I know.
Come on, let's go.
Let's get it crazy.
Oh, jeez.
What up, family? I'm Chris.
I'm Yvonne.
And we are Reclaim Karma, and we are back in the building.
We're kind of not in the building. We're outside of the building.
Oh, yeah. We outside, baby. We are going to be partnering with Home Depot and Scotts to make our lawn what we've always dreamed for it to be: green.
Weed-free.
Weed-free.
Right.
Like, right now, we got an array of we got mud grass. We've got zoysia, fescue, Bermuda, green clovers, white clovers, brown spots. So today, we're gonna start at ground zero. It's all gotta go. And the way that we're gonna do that is with Ortho Ground Clear. It doesn't discriminate, it just eliminates.
So talk about brown spots. Last year, we took out a 30-foot pine tree, and this is what we got out of it.
And since Yvonne won't allow me to put a putting green back there, we've actually got to tackle it and make it cohesive with the rest of the yard.
So we have to take out the wood chips, dig out the root ball.
And I get to bring out the big guns, baby. The Bobcat.
So we picked up some Ortho Ground Clear at our local Home Depot. It comes in a 1-gallon container. It's already pre-mixed. And I actually picked up a 4-gallon backpack applicator because we have a larger lawn, but you could do either. So this is super simple. You're just gonna give it a gentle shake, and then you're gonna start to pour it. Oh, hey, what's up?
Here's a pro tip though. You want to add this dye in, all you need is 1 ounce per gallon, and it allows you to see exactly where you're spraying so we can see where we're actually applying the product.
All right, so we're ready to spray our Ortho Ground Clear. Chris isn't with me right now because you want to keep your people and your pets away from the spray zone until it dries. So how do you think the process went?
Oh, I think it's been going awesome.
Me too.
Yep. Ortho Ground Clear has came through like a boss. I'm already starting to see some results.
Yeah. You know what I'm excited about? That mound of whatever is gone.
No more.
Right.
The black hole in the middle of our yard is gone.
Right.
All right, so next up, we're going to go ahead and start installing our irrigation system.
Yeah.
And then in 14 days, we'll be able to start mowing, thatching, and removing the remaining weeds. And then at that time, we'll also level out the yard and plant the good foundation for all of the seeds that we're going to be putting down.
We're going to be the envy of the entire neighborhood.
When they say the grass is green on the other side, who they talking about? That's right. So make sure you stay tuned. We'll see you guys on the flip side when we get the seeding.